Good morning students, welcome to the Maths Lab class. In today's class I am going to take the activity of calendar making. Children, here I have used the handmade sheet, but you can use any chart paper or any type of sheet you want, and the size also can be different. Whatever size you want, big or small, you can do accordingly. So children, for the activity let us proceed. So to proceed with the activity students, I have taken the sheet which is 50 centimeters. From here till here it is 50 centimeters, and from this side till this side it is of 30 centimeters. You can take the dimensions at your own also or according to your requirement. Now proceeding with the folds, the first fold I am going to give to this sheet to double this exactly in between, to double this sheet as I have done here, right? And the next folds I am going to give at the sides. Here 2 centimeters, and on this side 2 centimeters. I am going to fold it on this side. I'll just after pasting will show it to you. This. Now moving on to the next fold. Here on one edge I'll fold near about 8 centimeters, and on the other edge also I'll fold it 8 centimeters. Why I'll give this fold? Because I have to just overlap them like this. As you can see here, I have to overlap them so that my calendar can stand straight. Now students, for the pockets I have taken one rectangular sheet, and now see, and on the upper side here I am going to give a round shape so that little bit it looks beautiful. Now the sides here which come out extra, we just cut them. So this is my pocket ready. So children, for the second type of calendar, I have taken this piece of paper and I am going to fold this much, depending on the size of paper pieces I want to paste. Now after folding this much, what I have to do is I have to draw lines at a equal distance. The first one, the second one, and in this way, if we are going to paste days of the week, we have to draw 7 lines. If we want to paste months of the year, we have to draw 12 lines. Okay, so here I am drawing first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and the 7th line. This much are enough. Now comes the pasting work. So I'll paste one square here, then the second one on this line. A very small gap is given here, and the third one on the next line. And then comes the next one. So now I have already prepared one for you that I am showing here. See this. This is for the days of the week, and you can take any shape. As I have taken here squares and pasted them in this way, you can take any other shape and then paste them. And I have made another one for the months of the year. Here you can see these are 12 triangles to show the months. So this one is for the days of the week, this one is for the months of the year, and now what is left? The dates. And for dates I have taken this pocket. Yes, you can give again any shape, any design, and you can decorate it in any way as you like. So this my pocket is ready for the dates. So let me complete it first. So this, here comes the first number and here comes the second number. So now all the 3 things are ready with me. Now we'll prepare the calendar. Now after pasting, it will look like this. After completing this much of work, what you can do is, here you can write down days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and here you can write down the months, January, February, and dates are already mentioned here. So now I am going to do the same and then I'll show you. Children, now my calendar is ready with the days of the week, the dates here and the months. Now suppose I want to show 20th of May 2020. So 2 is already here and I can take out 0 is here. So this comes 20. Then the month May we require. So we will go on folding January, February, March, April, and here comes May. So 20th of May. Now what was the day on this date? It was Wednesday. So here in the days of the week, I'll fold it Sunday, then Monday, and then Tuesday, So this is my calendar showing 20th of May and the day was Wednesday. Now suppose that I want to show today's date, that is 29th. So here comes 29th, and which month is going on? May, June, July and August. Yes, the month is August and the day is Saturday. So I have to fold Wednesday also, Thursday, Friday, and here comes the Saturday. So this is the date which I wanted to show. In the same way, you can also prepare the calendar of this kind and show the dates whichever you like or you want to show, and using a thread you can hang it on the wall of your room.